Hey guys, Terrible Cuber here, and today we are going to be unboxing the YJ Guanlong, if you can read that. So, yeah, basically that's it. Let's just take out the packaging, and yeah, I'm going to be doing a lot more unboxings and reviews and stuff of this cube. So, I accidentally started doing first turns, but first turns. Oh, I really like it. For me, oh, let's look at corner cutting. 45. Not right now because it's really loose. I can feel that. It can't cut just at 45, but it can reverse quarter cut the 3/4 of a piece. As far as I know, that's okay. And yeah, let's just do a solve on it. Let me mix it up. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. I really like the Moyu shades on this. Well, the YJ shades, but YJ and Moyu are pretty much the same company. Yeah, it's like they're really nice shades. They're not too bright for me. Some people complain that the yellow is too bright, but I think that it's all right. Yeah, I really like this cube. It's turning really well for such a new cube, but I'm gonna have to tension it and lube it. Yeah, I guess that's really it. It feels really like crunchy and clicky, but it has like a springy noise sometimes, and it's not really enjoyable to have a springy noise, but that's what you get with $4 cubes. But it's alright. I personally really like it, but yeah, that's just a short review and unboxing of the YJ Guanlong. I might be doing a full review after I lube it and tension it, but yeah, for now it's on really loose tensions, and let's look at the pieces. Pretty standard, like with the double torpedo. Yeah, let's just. That's one thing I suck at doing. Putting edges back in. Yeah, there. And yeah, so overall it's a really nice cube. And, yeah, that's all. Hope you guys enjoyed, and be ready for a lot more unboxings because I just ordered 4 more cubes. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye.